Hiya guys and girls. Today we've got a Volkswagen caddy van in. Now this actually belongs to a friend of mine, this van, and I've been telling him for over a year that it needs a proper clean. And it's filthy inside. It's his typical work van. He uses it to go up and down the country, and apart from getting serviced, it gets neglected cleaning wise. Outside just your usual up and down the motorway dirt really. Wheels, well, you can tell they've not been cleaned for a long time, can't you? And then we get to the inside. We start off on the doors. Look at that. And I don't know how many spilt coffees are in there, but there's a few. And then you get to the seats. Look at the colour of those seats. I hope we can get them clean again. And then we get down the side. I don't even want to know what's down there. I'm dreading taking the seats out of this one. There could literally be anything down there. That round the steering wheel as usual. Now we get inside again. More filth down here. Measuring tapes, etc. for his work, but that's fine. Seats. The seats are the big one for this, they're going to make the biggest difference, I think. Centre console's covered in dust and grime. Usual coffee cup lids and stuff like that down here. Dirt all up the kick plates, kick skins or whatever you call them. Door edges. Door edges aren't actually that bad, I've seen worse. Then you get in the back. And the back of the van is actually the cleanest part of the full van, because obviously that's where his work stuff goes, because he must look after his work stuff. Let's go on with it. So we've got the seats out, and as you know, I like to do a wee video bit when the seats are out. So it gives you a better look. This is why you need to get your seats out. I mean, look, there's coffee and all sorts of stuff spilled down there. A little bit of dampness for when I've been jet washing the door edges, but nothing to worry about there. But you can see how dirty it is. Just a typical work van, this, to be honest with you. Just disgusting. Ah well, let's crack on. Right, I don't know what kind of fruit these used to be, but they were under my mate's passenger seat. What is that? Ugh. wheels, well, that's another one done. Looking fresh and fit for use, because it certainly wasn't fit for use before. Look at that, how clean is that in there? No more horribleness, sticky, oily stuff that was all over it. Coffee stains, what have you, are all gone. Looking good. In the backs had a quick vac out and stuff, but didn't really need any more than that. Outside, got the wash as you've seen. It's not really to get any more than a wash. That was enough. Driver's seat came up mint. Look at that, it's like brand new. Floor wells are looking nice and clean. The dashboard's looking brilliant. Ah well, hope you enjoyed watching that one. Two things. Question time. What was your first car? My first car was a 1.3 Escort on a 1992 plate. I loved that motor. I'd done 50,000 miles in it all over the UK. It was great. What was yours? And also, this car belongs to a friend of mine. Tell my friend exactly what you think of this van and the condition it was in. It was disgusting. Catch you later, guys and girls. Bye.